All right, guys, let's do a quick tour of the one that we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. This one is a more modern style cabin. This is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Okay, 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. That means we got 560 square feet of living space, and then you got 240 square foot front porch. So with the porch, you got 800 square foot under roof with the porch. As you can see, it's got that beautiful pine kind of aesthetic around the board and batten metal siding, and then you got your pine posts and rails there on the front to kind of give it that Scandinavian look. And look how pretty this thing is here, guys. Sorry, it was a little loud out there. So again, you got your 2x6 exterior wall studs. You got your black board and batten metal. You got either fiberglass or spray foam insulation as an upgrade inside your walls for insulation. Okay, look how pretty this is. Huge open concept living room, kitchen area. They got that beautiful light tongue and groove pine on the walls, in the ceiling, and then you got your dark floors, right? And you got windows everywhere. So you got a window here, window there, window over there by the kitchen. These are Anderson double pane windows. They staged it a little bit for me because I told them I was coming in to film today. So this is just a little staging they did for me, because again, this is getting ready to go to the customer. But I wanted it to look a little bit staged, so when I put it on film, it looks good for y'all. Again, there's your window, there's your Bosch mini split. It does come with the 2 Bosch mini splits. You got your General Electric microwave, and then here the customer opted in for a 2-burner induction stove, and you got a full-size refrigerator right over here. Got your nice knotty pine kitchen cabinets all around, lots of cabinet space. And let me turn around and show you this angle of it. And again, really nice size, very livable living room area, which I love. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I fit very comfortably in here. My head, my arms ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this ceiling. You got your 8-foot walls, and it goes up to the peak with a 412 pitch. Going down the hallway, again, let me turn around one last time here and show you, because I like to take my time and really show you every nook and cranny. You see how we got all the electrical outlets already in there, exactly where the customers wanted them. Okay, there's your electrical switches. You got your controller for your Bosch mini split. And again, just picture it all organized here. Got your little living room area, and put your little dining room table, and voila, do your cooking over there. Going on back down the hallway, you got your full bathroom. Okay, you got your full bathroom going here. They opted in for a walk-in shower. Now, of course, you can always do a tub, but a lot of our customers, they're getting older, so they don't want to risk falling out of a tub, trying to get in and out of a tub. So they do a lot of these walk-in showers, are very popular. And then you got your commode. They went with the little stainless steel sink. There's your mirror. And again, let me close this up here so you can see what the bathroom looks like, all privatized and closed up. And voila. Again, beautiful knotty pine all around. And last but not least, look at that. And it's called the Bella. You want to go to AmishBuiltCabins.com. The link is in the bio. You want to click on Park Model RVs, and I'm going to put a bunch of interior photos on it and these videos on there. And again, remember too, this one here on the lot is for sale. But let's say you want to order one custom, you want to change the colors and customize it. Guys, you're welcome to do that as well. Just give us a call. Let us know how you want us to do it, and we can do it custom for you, okay? This got the black roof on it and dark brown D-log siding. Got the pine siding on it. You can see here, that's where your mini split is in the living room. Like I was telling you earlier, you got your 4-axle trailer that it's built on. Okay, this is what the back side of it looks like here. This thing's ready to go, like I said. And you're welcome to come pick it up too, or we can call our transportation guys and get a quote. We can pretty much ship this anywhere in the country, guys. It's on wheels, so this one's ready to ship. So if you're interested in it, I gotta hold on to it for at least another couple weeks to make some videos, and then you can come grab it. So if you're interested, the first deposit gets it. 10% down to lock it in. Look at that big old bay window. You've seen it from the inside. Just a beautiful cabin, guys. Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the BERTHA Park Model RV. This is the BERTHA Park Model RV. Again, my name is Osi. You guys call me the Cabin Cowboy. Give me a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. A quick walk again. Just inside, a little walkthrough. Beautiful day, by the way. Look at them puffy clouds. I feel like Bob Ross in them photos, you know. Look at them puffy clouds and happy trees. Again, guys, where's my Gen Xers and baby boomers at? If you're Gen X, baby boomer, comment what year you was born below. I'm a 1979 classic car model. Comment what year you was born below so I know I got my people watching me. Not just the young bucks. I want some of my OGs. Where's my OGs at? Again, comment what year you was born if you're Gen X. Baby boomer, much love to you. Shout out Gen X, baby boomers, specifically the Gen X guys. That's my people. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my content. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash it. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow if you like what you see. Again, my name is Osi. This is the first time seeing me, guys. They call me the Cabin Cowboy, okay? Come out, subscribe so you don't miss my future episodes. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me anytime. Checking out. Y'all be blessed and have a happy weekend.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the quartz countertops. Very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and Osi can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinet. So some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space.
Yep.
In this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else like is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah,
is
just the
identical
color
to
scheme
stone.
is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue
Very
concept,
cool.
which I think really kind of looks very, it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, you know,
Yeah,
in
it
this.
feels truly like home. Or if you, I think if this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
investment, if you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Top of the
Yes.
line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the
And all the
colors.
windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your
Absolutely.
windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those
Also
windows.
has, like,
The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well.
absolutely.
And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the
I'm not sure what that is.
cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it.